Koala KB200-11 horizontal wall-mounted baby changing by Koala. Kare is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. This Type 304 stainless steel veneer panel integrates with other satin finish accessories in the restroom. Constructed of polypropylene and a unibody steel chassis, this baby changing station supports 200 lbs with minimal deflection. The steel-on-steel hinge has greater resistance to wear and improved durability, and the gas spring mechanism ensures smooth open and close of the unit. Its sleek design and color palette matches modern restroom design and decor. The dual liner cavity with lock minimizes operator refills and discourages potential vandalism. The product includes child protection straps and bag hooks. Bed surface exclusively contains microban antimicrobial, reducing odor-causing bacteria. Liner dispenser features 2 liner cavities. Each cavity holds 25 liners, for a combined total of 50 liners per unit. Contributes to LEED certified building requirements. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Offers the highest level of safety and style for the upscale restroom facility. ASTM&N compliant. Meets ADA requirements when mounted properly. Supports up to 200 pounds. Liner dispenser features